See, VBScript tutorial. So far we discussed overview on VBScript roadmap. Next, first topic, VBScript comments. Next, data types. Third chapter, variables. Incomplete. In this chapter, we discussed 5 topics. What is variable? Declaration of variables. Implicit and explicit declaration of variables. Assigning values to variables. Purpose of variables. Next, naming restrictions. Incomplete. Continue. See, we have 4 naming restrictions for variables. One is variable names. Variable names should start with alphabets. First letter should be alphabet. After first letter, you can use numbers. See example. Dem ABC. Correct declaration. ABC is single word. Correct. Next, dem A12. Correct declaration. You try to run, it won't show any error. No error. Next, dem 1AB. It is incorrect. Try to run. Say error. Next, should not contain, variable names should not contain embedded periods. See, space is embedded period, dot is embedded period. See, should not contain embedded periods. Example, dem ABC. Correct. Next, dem AB space C. Incorrect. Next, dem AB dot C. Incorrect. Next, dem AB star C. Incorrect. Next, dem AB underscore C. Madhuri, last one. Correct or incorrect?
Correct, sir.
Yes, correct. See, underscore only acceptable. Remaining special characters not allowed. This is correct. Next, must not exceed 255 characters. Means maximum length of a variable is 255 characters. Actually, that much length not required. Generally we use 10 to 20 letters maximum. See, must not exceed 255 characters. See, variable names 1 to 255. 1 to 255. Next, must be unique. Must be unique in the scope of declaration. Here no duplicate variables allowed. Must be unique. See, must be unique in the scope of declaration. What is scope? I will explain in the next topic. Scope of declaration. No duplicates allowed. Observe dim a comma b comma c. Correct declaration. 3 variables in this statement. Next, dim d comma e. Correct. You can use single statement or multiple statements for declaring variables. Next, dim f comma g comma capital A. Observe Sujata, last statement. Is it correct or incorrect?
That is incorrect, sir.
Why?
Because we already declared A, it is a duplicate value of A, though it is not case sensitive.
Not duplicate value, duplicate variable.
Variable.
Duplicate variable. Okay. Anyhow, VBScript is not a case sensitive language. No difference between uppercase and lowercase letters. So this capital A is duplicate only. So incorrect. Run the script. See, name redefined. Error. Before moving to next topic, tell me, Madhuri, we have 4 naming restrictions for declaring variables in VBScript. What are the 4 naming restrictions?
Variable must start with alphabet. Should not contain embedded periods. It should not exceed 255 characters. And the declaration should be unique.
Must be unique in the scope of declaration. Okay. Next.
Yes.
See, here we used one term, scope. Scope of declaration. See, next topic, scope of variables. Scope of variables. Say, in VBScript, we have 2 types of scope for variables. In C language also same. But in Java, 3 types of scope. That is different. In VBScript, we have 2 types of scope for declaring variables. One is program level. Program, or you can say, okay, avoid the confusion, program level variables or script level. Script level variables. Next, function level variables. Function level variables. First one is script level variables, next function level variables. See, script level variables can be used for entire script, but function level variables can be used within the function only. See, script level variables, see, they can be used for entire script. Next, function level variables, they can be used within the functions only. So I will show an example, then you can get more clarity. Say dem a comma b comma c. These are script level variables. Script level variables. Next, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to a plus b. MSG box C. Next, define one function. Here don't concentrate on function syntax. Anyhow, that we will discuss in user defined functions chapter. Now just situation demanding, I am using one function. See, function name xyz, blank parenthesis, no arguments. See, within the functions also you can declare variables. Dem d comma e, d equal to 40, e equal to a plus d. MSG box e. Next, again script level variables. Say you can declare variables anywhere in the script, but best practice is declare all variables at the top of the program, but no restrictions. F G, F equal to 70, G equal to B plus D plus F. MSG box G. Observe Sujata. Here three outputs in this script. Three outputs. First output MSG box C. What is the output? What is the value of the output?
C is 30, sir.
30. C. Next, second output. Just a minute. Call the function. Call axyz. What is the second output? MSG box E.
50, sir.
A plus D. 50. What is the last output? G.
20 plus 40, 60 plus 60 plus 70, 100 and
130. No.
30.
B. 20. D. 90. Run the script. See, first output 30, second output 50, last output 90. Why 90? Observe B. B is script level variable. Can be used for entire script. B value 20. Put mute. Next D. D is function level variable. Within that function only we can use. Within that function. Next here D no value. By default undefined variable value is 0. See 20 plus 0 plus F again script level variable 70. 20 plus 70 90. Okay na? Any confusion, Aarti?
Now I got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, cool.
It's like a local variable, not the global kind of. Okay.
See function level. Next, observe Kanti. If I use option explicit statement, option explicit, then tell me the outputs. First output 30. Is it okay or not?
Sir.
Second output 50. What about third output?
Third output, now it can take the D value also.
How? Say D value within the function only. Here we are using D. Script point of view, D is undefined variable. Earlier it took by default 0. This time error. Why? We are using undefined variable at script level. Third output error. Run the script. See first output 30, second output 50, last output error. It's not output, error. Okay na Sujata, any confusion?
No, sir.
See, this is about scope of variables. Seventh topic, scope of variables. Next, eighth topic, types of variables. Types of variables. See, already we discussed we have two types of variables in VBScript. One is scalar variables. We just call variable, that is scalar variable. Full name scalar variable. Next, array variables. Scalar variable. What is the purpose of scalar variable? To store one value at a time. To store one value at a time. Value may vary throughout the execution. You can change the value. Value may vary. It is not mandatory. Value may vary throughout the execution. Next, array variable. To store series of values at a time based on size of the array. To store series of values at a time based on size of the array. See how to declare array variables. Same, using dimension, dim statement only. See, declare array variable. Say dim a comma b of 3. See, in this declaration we have two variables. A is scalar variable, b is array variable. See, we can store 0 to n values. 0 to n values means n plus 1 values. In this b variable, in this b array variable, we can store 0 to 3 means 4 values. See, VBScript arrays having 0 based index. How to store? B of 0. This 0 is index. We can't change the index. Index 0 to n. Index predefined. You can change the values only. User can define values only. Indexes are predefined. Say 10. Next, not only single type of data, you can you can assign different types of data also. But in programming languages, for example, take Java language, you can assign same type of data only. If it is integer array, integer values only. If it is string array, string values only. If it is double array, double. If it is a boolean array, boolean values only. But in VBScript is a lightweight language, less or no formalities. We can assign different types of data also. Next, b of 2 equal to 1.34. Say first value 10 integer type data, second value ABCD string type data, third value 1.34 double type data. Next, b of 3 equal to 40. Next, a equal to b of 0 plus b of 3. MSG box EA. What is the output, Kanti? Output
50, sir. 50, sir.
good 50.
50, sir.
Okay. Run the script. 50. Next, just a minute. For example, if you assign one more value, b of 4, what will happen? Is it error or it will it execute or error? Sujata?
Yes, sir.
Error. Script out of range. Out of range. Error. Say subscript out of range. Next, dynamic arrays. Say what we used, that was constant array, or you can say just array. For our test automation point of view, general array or constant array enough. Dynamic arrays, dimensional arrays not required, but I will explain how to declare dimensional and dynamic arrays. But our test automation point of view, general arrays enough. Sometimes you can use two-dimensional array for reading rows and columns, remaining rare use or no use. See, dynamic arrays whose size is undefined. First undefined, later changes. Whose size is undefined changes throughout the execution. That is dynamic array. Whose size is fixed, that is constant array or general array. See, dim a comma b of 3 comma c blank parenthesis. Say in this declaration 3 variables. A is scalar variable, B is array variable, C is dynamic array, whose size is undefined, changes throughout the execution. If you want to use the C variable, first you need to define the size. First define the size using redimension statement, redim statement, redim C of 3. Then you can assign 3 values, 4 values, 0 to 3. How? C of 0 equal to 10, C of 1 equal to 20, C of 2 equal to 30, C of 3 equal to 40. Next, A equal to C of 1 plus C of 2. MSG box A. Next, I'm going to change size of the C array. Again, you can change the dynamic array size n number of times. Redim C of 5. Now you can store 6 values. Suppose C of 4 equal to 50, C of 5 equal to 60. Next, C of 3, C of 5. Tell me, Madhuri, first output, second output. 2 outputs in this script. First output C of 1 plus C
First
of
output
2.
is 40.
First output 40. C of 1 plus C of 2. What is C of 1? 20 na?
Yes, 50.
C of 2 30 na? 50.
Yes.
Next second output, last output.
100.
100. C of 5. C of 5 60 na? 60. Just a minute. Run the script. See, first output 50, second output 60. See, if you resize the array, it removes previous values internally. It removes. C of 3 is 0 only. If you don't want to remove, just a minute, put mute. See, if you resize the array, it formats all elements. It formats previous elements. If you don't want to format the elements, if you want to carry previous values as it is, then use preserve keyword. See, redeem preserve. Now value C of 340, C of 5 60, 100. Run the script. See, first output 50, second output 100. Okay, na Sujata, any confusion?
No, sir, no confusion.
Okay, cool. Next, dimensional arrays. Dimensional arrays. See, VBScript supports up to 60 dimensions, but human brain can understand up to 4 or 5 dimensions only. After 4 or 5 dimensions, mad. But VBScript supports up to 60 dimensions. See, two-dimensional array. In two-dimensional array, first value indicates rows, second value indicates columns. Say, dim A, B of 3, C blank parenthesis, D of 5 comma, suppose 4 comma 5. Observe, in this declaration, 4 variables. A is scalar variable, B is array variable, C is dynamic array, D is 2D array, two-dimensional array. How many values can be stored into that 2D array? R3. Observe D of 4 comma 5. How many values can be stored?
4 multiplied 5. Around 45.
45. What is 45? What is that calculation? You tell me, Sujata.
20, sir. 5 into 4, 20, sir.
No. 30 values. Say 4 means 5 rows. Already I told. 0 based index. 0 to 4 rows. 4 means 5 rows. 5 means 6 columns. 5 into 6, 30 cells, 30 values. How to assign values? See, D of 0 comma 0 equal to 10. See, first row, first column. Like this, you can enter. Next, 0 comma 1, first row, second column. See, next topic, just a minute. Assigning series of values. Assigning series of values at a time. Say up to now we assigned values one by one to array variables. This time series of values at a time. Assigning series of values at a time to array variables. See, we have two methods. First one, using array function. See, function name also array. This is built-in function of VBScript. Using array function. Next, using split function. It is also built-in function. See, using array function, using split function. Say, I will show the example. Dem A. See, as per declaration, A is scalar variable. How to confirm? See, MSG box, one more function is there. Is array of A. See, what is the functionality of is array? It checks whether the variable is array variable or not, and it returns logical result, Boolean result, true or false like. Kanti, what is the output?
False.
False.
A.
Yes, A is not array. A is not an array. Next, by assigning series of values, you can make A as array variable. How? A equal to array of, here by separating with commas, you can enter multiple values. Suppose 100, VBScript. You can enter different types of data also. Suppose date type data. Next, MSG box is array of A. What is the output, Madhuri?
True, sir.
True. Next, you can display the values also. MSG box A of 1. MSG box A of 1. What is the output, Aarti?
100? No, sorry, it's VBScript.
VBScript. First 100 is 0. See,
Yeah.
VBScript. Next, you can find the size of array using ubound function. That is also built-in function of VBScript. See, MSG box ubound upper boundary of A. What is the output, Sujata? Last statement output, upper boundary of A array variable.
5, sir.
5. Run the script. See, before assigning series of values false, after assigning series of values true. Next, A of 1 is VBScript. Next, size of array 5. 5 means 6 values, 0 to 5. See, observe Kanti. How many built-in functions we used in this script? How many built-in functions we used in this script?
2, sir.
What are the two?
Is array and U bound.
What about MSG box?
Yes, sir. MSG box.
Built-in function. Is array built-in function. Array also built-in function. Next, U-bound also built-in function. Total how many functions?
1, 4, sir.
4 functions. Okay. Next, using split function. Split function. Say dim a comma b a equal to VB script language. Next, by splitting that value, I'm going to convert b as array variable. Say split of a comma delimiter within double quotes delimiter. Delimiter is space in this scenario. Space is default delimiter. You no need to use. Just split a enough. Say MSG box is array of B. True. Next, before this one, MSG box is array of B. False. Next, MSG box B of 1. Script. Next, MSG box U bound of B. Kanti, U bound of B.
2.
2. Okay. Run the script. See false, true. B of 1 is script. Next, 2. Size of the array. Next, you can use different types of delimiters also. Different types of delimiters. Suppose comma, VB, comma, script, comma, language. Default delimiter space. Next, you can use any delimiter, but you need to specify split of a, comma, within double quotes, comma, run. See false, true, script 2. Next, suppose at the rate symbol. Here you need to mention at the rate. See false, true, script 2. Next, not only 2-digit, not only single digit, you can use 2-digit or multiple digits also. See, run, false, true, script 2. See, in split function, default delimiter is space. Next, we can use any value as delimiter, but we need to specify the delimiter. Okay, the split function is mainly used for reading CSV files, comma separated values. Okay, na Sujata? Assigning series of values to array variables.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is about variables. See, we discussed maximum concepts. First, what is variables? Next, declaration of variables. Next, assigning values to variables. Next, implicit and explicit declaration of variables. Purpose of variables. Naming restrictions. Scope of variables. Next, types of variables. Next, array variables. Dynamic and dimensional arrays. Next, assigning series of values to variables using array function and using split function. See, next chapter, as per our roadmap, next chapter, operators, but one more small chapter is there, constants. We already used constants in descriptive programming chapter. Can you remember, Madhuri? We already used user defined constants in descriptive programming chapter na. Can you remember,
Yes,
Sujata? Sujata.
Not sure, sir.
Not sure. In static descriptive programming time, we used user defined constants na in order to replace object values, literal values. First we replace literal values, means object values, with constants. Then we placed constants in a library file. By associating that library file, we accessed objects na.
Okay, sir.
Say, small topic, constants. See, they are used to replace literal values and they never change. Fixed value for entire script. Fixed value for entire script. Say, one similarity is there in between variables and constants. Both are for holding the data. One difference also there. Variable values may vary throughout the execution, but constants never change. Observe, they are used to replace literal values and they never change. Next, constants, two types. One is built-in constants, predefined. For example, var type function returns constant based result. See the example. MSG box, var type of ABCD. See, it is 8 for string. What is this 8? Built-in constant. Okay na, Kanti, understand this one?
String.
Already we used this built-in already we used var type function in data types chapter na.
Yes.
What about you, Aarti? What is this 8?
Yeah, that's integer they use.
Where is
Yeah,
integer?
it's for data type. Data type, sorry, I got it.
What is
for
8?
string, sir.
String. 8
For
for
string,
string.
sir.
8 for string. That 8 value is built-in constant, predefined. Next, user defined. User defined constants. Say using const statement, we can declare constants. See, syntax const, next constant name equal to constant value. See, if you want to declare multiple constants in a statement, yes, you can declare by separating with commas. Suppose constant 1 name, constant 1 value, comma, say constant 2 name, constant 2 value, next constant 3, constant 3 value, like this. See, example, see const city equal to, suppose, London. Next, num equal to 100. For numbers, no double quotes required. Next, x equal to, suppose, date type data. X equal to sharp quotes 10/10/2010. Next, variables versus constants. Similarity, both are for holding the data. Difference, constants never change, but variable values may vary throughout the execution. For example, see, variables versus constants. Variables, suppose dim city, constant, you can declare like this, const city equal to Hyderabad. Say Declaration and value assignment, same statement in case of constants, but in case of variables, declaration different, value assignment different statement. Suppose city equal to Hyderabad. Next, suppose after some time, if you want to change the value, yes, you can change. City equal to Mumbai. Next, after some time, if you want to change the value, yes, you can change. Delhi. Say what is the what is the purpose? Say in this script, for some portion of the code, for first portion of the code, city value Hyderabad. For second portion of the code, city value Mumbai. For last portion of the code, city value Delhi. Variable value may vary but not mandatory. You can maintain single value for entire script also, but constants, fixed value for entire script. Fixed value for entire script. Suppose if you try to change the value, suppose city equal to Mumbai, it will show error. It will show error. Fixed value for entire script. If you want to change the value, yes, here only you can change. Declaration part only you can change Hyderabad to Mumbai, but fixed value for entire script. Find the difference between these two, Arthi, variables, constants.
Yeah.
See, const city equal to Hyderabad. MSG box city. Next, after some time, if you try to change the value, it will show error. See, run. First output Hyderabad. If you try to change the value, illegal assignment. Illegal assignment. Suppose if it is variable, see, Hyderabad, next Mumbai. Okay na Kanti?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Say next operators. Next chapter, VBScript operators. See, you can find operators in all programming languages and scripting languages, not only in VBScript. See, what are operators? Operators are used to perform mathematical comparison and logical operations. See, operators are used to perform mathematical comparison and logical operations. Say in VBScript we have three categories of operators. Categories of operators. Tell me, Sujata, what are the categories of operator in VBScript?
Yes, concatenation operators, arithmetic operators.
See, first one, arithmetic. Arithmetic, this is first priority. Arithmetic operators. Next, comparison operators. Next, logical operators. See, some are saying fourth, one more type also, that is concatenation operators. But this concatenation operators not separate type. Concatenation operators part of arithmetic operators. See, part of arithmetic operators. See here one important concept. Operator precedence. What is operator precedence? Operator evaluation priority process. Operator priority process. Priority. See, generally VBScript evaluates operators from left to right, but any high priority operator is there in right side. VBScript first evaluates high priority operator, then general rule. See, operator precedence is VBScript operator priority process. See, generally VBScript evaluates operators from left to right, but if any high priority operator if any high priority operator is there in right side, then first VBScript evaluates high priority operator then general rule. I will show example. Understand the concept, Sujata? What is operator precedence in VBScript?
Yes, sir. It is evaluation process. Generally, VBScript evaluates operators from left to right. But any high priority operator is there in the right side. VBScript first evaluates high priority operator, then the general rule.
The general rule. Next, one more concept. In order to override operator precedence, you can use parenthesis symbol. See, in order to override operator precedence, use parenthesis symbol, parenthesis. Observe. MSG box 10 plus 4, just a minute. 2 plus 2 into 4 to the power of 2. What is the output? Here, say general rule. Say, observe, in this expression, we have 3 operators. In this expression, we have 3 operators: addition, multiplication, exponentation to the power of. See, general rule is left to right, but exponentation is high priority operator. See, first it evaluates this, just a minute. First it evaluates this part. 4 to the power of 2 means 4 into 4, 16. Next priority, multiplication. 16 into 2, 32. Next priority, addition. 32 plus 2, 34. Run the script. 34. Suppose I want addition first. Addition first, then exponentation, multiplication. See, MSG box within parenthesis 2 plus 2. Just a minute. You just take this one. Just use parenthesis. Now tell me the output, Sujata.
256, sir.
See, first
No.
2 plus 2, 4. 4 into 4,
Yes, sir.
16. 16 into 16, 256.
Yes.
Run the script. 34, 64. 16 in, just a minute. 4 into 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 16 now.
Sir, first
No.
exponent, the power will be taken, sir.
Just a minute.
No?
First expression, this one.
Oh.
4. Next expression, this one. What is the output? What is the first expression? 2 plus 2, 4 na. Next high priority operator, this one. 4 into 4, 16. Next,
Yes, sir.
4 into 16. 4 into 16. Got the point, Kanti? Try to understand this one. See, we used parenthesis in our
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2 plus 2 is 4.
4.
Yeah.
Next, leave that multiplication
Yeah, 4
symbol.
there.
Leave the multiplication symbol.
Yeah.
Next, second expression. 4 into 4. 4 to the power of 2 means 4 into 4. 16. Next,
16.
multiply. 4
16
plus
multiplies
4 into 16. 4 into 16,
yes,
64.
64.
See, in this second example, first addition operation, next exponentation, last multiplication. In the first example, first exponentation, second multiplication, last addition. Last addition. Run the script. 34, 64. Next I will show small example. You can avoid the confusion. Observe Kanti. MSG box 2 plus 2 into 4. What is the output? Say multiplication operator is high priority operator. Now tell me.
10, sir.
2,
10, sir.
10. Good.
10, sir.
First, yes, correct. 2 into 4, 8 to 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. Next, I want addition first. Addition first. See, in order to override the operator precedence, use parenthesis. Now tell me, Kanti, what is the output? Second output. First addition, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16.
16.
See, first 10, second 16. Okay, na Sujata? Operator precedence and overriding operator precedence.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, operator wise category wise priority. First, category wise priority. All categories are not equal. First, category wise priority, then operator wise priority. See, what is the first priority? Arithmetic. Second priority, comparison. Last priority, logical. Why first priority goes to arithmetic operators? See, arithmetic operators written, reason is there. Arithmetic operators written value based result, not Boolean result. Value based result, perfect result. That's why first priority goes to arithmetic operators. See, first operator wise priority, first priority arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. And one more thing, all arithmetic operators are not equal. First category wise priority, next operator wise priority. Find the concept, Madhuri. First category, then operator.
Yes, sir.
First category, what is the high priority category? Arithmetic. In arithmetic, we have 8 arithmetic operators, but all are not equal. Here also priority process is there. Here first one, exponentation, cap symbol, to the power of. I will show example. Next, multiplication, star symbol. Next, division, /. Next, integer division. It returns integer point value only. Integer division, /. Next, mod operator. Say VBScript having two types of operators. Symbol oriented operators. Next, text oriented operators. Exponentation, multiplication, division, integer division, all are symbols. Mod, MOD, this is text oriented operator. Next, what is mod operator? It returns remainder. Next, addition, plus symbol. Next, subtraction, minus. Next, pure concatenation operator. Ampersand symbol. See, these are the 8 arithmetic operators. Concatenation operator also part of arithmetic. Tell me, Madhuri, arithmetic operators priority wise.
First one is exponential.
Exponentation.
Next one is multiplication. Then division. Then integer division. Then mod operators.
Mod operator, single.
Then addition and subtraction. And last one is concatenation.
Good. See. Mod operator, single. Example. See, I will show an example. Dem A comma B comma C. A equal to 10, B equal to 3. Next, for example, C equal to A to the power of B. MSG box C. Tell me, Kanti, what is the output? A to the power of B.
1000, sir.
1000. 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. Good. 1000. Next, Just a minute. A multiply B. 10 into 3, 30. Next, A division. A divide B. See, this is general division. It returns a floating point value 3.3333 like that. Next, integer division. It returns integer point only. It doesn't round the value. Even though that value is 3.7, it returns 3 only. Next, A mod B. It returns a remainder. Tell me, Sujata, what is 10 mod 3? 10 mod 3.
Yes, sir. 3 and
3 into 3,
and
9.
Remainder will be 1.
Remainder
and 1 reminder, sir.
3
Yes,
into
sir.
3, 9. Remainder 1. Okay. Observe. For example, 10 mod 4. What is the reminder? What is the output? 10 mod 4.
4 into 2, 8, and 2 is the reminder.
10 mod 2.
No reminder, sir.
0. 0 also value 0. See 1. Next, addition. 10 plus 3, 13. Next, subtraction. 10 minus 3, 7. Next, ampersand, concatenation. 103. Run the script. See 1000 exponentation. 1000, 30, 3.333, 3. Observe yellow arrow marking. Next 1, 13, 7, 103. See next, plus operator acts as addition operator as well as concatenation operator. See A plus B. Say if both the values are integers, then it returns, it adds. If both are integer values, then it adds. Next, one integer, one string, it adds. But inside number only. In that string number only, it will add. Next, both are strings, but inside numbers only. It concatenates 103. Next, both are alpha type strings. Suppose Hyderabad. It concatenates Hyderabad. Next, one alpha type string, Hyderabad. Next one integer type, number type string only but inside number, 1, 2, 3. See, it concatenates Hyderabad 1, 2, 3. Next, one alpha type string. Another is number. This is integer error. Observe, both are integers. Addition 13. One string, one integer, but inside number only. Addition, both are strings. Concatenation, alpha type. Alpha and number, strings only. Concatenation, last one. String, integer, error. Understand this one, Aarti? Addition plus operator.
Yeah.
Next, ampersand operator. Ampersand operator. See, it is pure concatenation operator. Irrespective of the data type, it concatenates only. Irrespective of the data type, it concatenates. See, just a minute. Replace. Irrespective of data types, it concatenates. See, first output 103, second output 103, third output 103, fourth output Hyderabad, fifth output Hyderabad 123, sixth output also not error, Hyderabad 123. Irrespective of the data type, it concatenates. Run. See, 103, 103, 103, Hyderabad, Hyderabad 123, Hyderabad 123. Next, second priority, comparison. Comparison operators. Say all comparison operators having equal precedence. For example, arithmetic all are not equal. First exponentation, second multiplication, like that. But all comparison operators have equal precedence. See. All are equal. Find this one, Kanti. Difference between arithmetic category and comparison category. What is the difference? All arithmetic operators are not equal, na?
Comparison operators are all equal.
All equal. Here no priority process. Then how VBScript evaluates? From left to right. General rule is there. Here no sequence. All are equal. Say. Equal to. Next. Greater than. Just a minute. Greater than or equal to. Next, less than less than or equal to, next, equal to, next, not equal to, diamond operator. Okay. Say greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. And one more thing, comparison operators return Boolean result. Comparison operators return Boolean, means logical result. Example, true or false. Okay na? Next I will show example. Say A greater than B. Kanti, A greater than B. Is it true or false?
Sir.
True. A greater than B. Yes.
True, sir.
True. Just a minute. Put mute. A greater than or equal to. If any one expression is true, then true. True only. Next. Sujata, A not equal to B. True or false?
True. True, sir.
True only. Yes. A not equal to B. Suppose A less than B. False.
False, sir.
False. Next. A less than or equal to B. False. Next. A equal to B. False. See, first three true, last three false. Run. True, 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 false, false, false. Next, logical operators. Logical. Logical operators. See, all logical operators are not equal. Priority is there. Priority process is there. First priority not operator. Not. All logical operators are text-oriented operators. Logical negation. Next, AND operator. Logical conjunction. next OR operator, logical disjunction, next XOR operator. It is some different kind of operator, but our test automation point of view, first three operators enough. XOR rare use or no use. See, logical exclusion, logical exclusion. See, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Say not operator. I will show a small example. Generate the login script. Just a minute. Run the script. Executing. Suppose login dialog already exists on desktop. Run the script. Two instances of application. It is confusing. Here, using not operator, we can handle error. See, if not dialog of login dot exists. Suppose for checking object existence 2 or 3 seconds enough. Here time optional. If you don't specify the time, then it takes UFT default synchronization time 20 seconds. But for checking object existence 2 or 3 seconds enough. Observe the purpose of this syntax. If not so and so dialog exists, it is a negative condition, one-way condition, no else part. Negative condition, one-way condition. If not login dialog exists, then launch and continue login operation. Next, opposite. If exist, if not exist, launch. If exist, bypass the condition. Just login operation. If exist, just login. If not exist, launch the login and continue. Observe. See, first scenario, login dialog not exists on desktop. Run. Checking the existence and launching login. Next, second scenario, login dialog already exists. It won't launch again. It will continue login operation. See, login. See, for negative conditions, we use not operator. Logical negation. Next, AND operator. See, dim A comma B comma C, A equal to 100, B equal to 90, C equal to 80. Condition: if A greater than B, this is one expression, and A greater than C, second expression, then MSG box A is a big number. Else MSG box A is not a big number. Observe Sujata, what about first expression? First condition is true or not?
It is true, sir. A is greater than B, and also A is also greater than C.
Yes, second condition also true. See, compound condition true, and A and B, first condition and second condition. See, both are true. Then what is the output? A is big number, na?
Yes, sir. A is a big number.
Run the script. A is a big number. For example, B900. First condition false, second condition true. If any one condition is false, then result will be false. A is not a big number. A is not a big number. So I will explain result criteria also. Result criteria. A result criteria. Suppose expression 1, expression 2, result. Expression 1, 2, result. Expression 1 true, 2 also true, result true. Next, true, false. Madhuri, true, false. And operator.
False.
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 Only. Yes, false only. Next, false, true. False only.
False.
Next, false, false. False only. These are the maximum combinations. Next, result criteria. You can use same example. Result criteria for OR operator. OR operator. Tell me, Kanti, expression 1 true, expression 2 true. Result?
True. True, sir.
Okay. Next, true, false.
True, sir.
True only. Next, false, true.
True, sir.
True. False, false. False. Next, result criteria for XOR operator. See, it is different kind of operator, logical exclusion. If any one expression is true, then result true. If any one, either that or this, not both. If any one expression is true, then result will be true. If both are true, result false. If both are false, result false. Observe Sujata. True, true. XOR operator. True, true.
True, sir.
No. Any
False.
one. Either this or that, not both. True, true, false. True, false.
True, sir.
True. Next, false, true.
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 False, false.
False.
False. See, this is about VBScript operators. Next, in scripting chapters, we use VBScript operators. Next, as per our roadmap, next chapter, flow control statements. Under flow control statements, first conditional statements. See, root, flow control. Flow control statements. Two types. One is conditional statements. Another is loop statements. Conditional statements, loop statements. First, we are taking conditional statements. See, types of conditional statements. Types of conditional statements. Tell me, Kanti, we have two types of conditional statements in VBScript. What are they?
If else statement, select statement. If else.
Else is not one. Else is one of the flavor. If statement. Else if, nested if, all are flavors of if only. If statement. Next, put mute, select case statement. Next, types of conditions. One is single condition. Single condition. Next, compound or multi condition. Compound or multi condition. Okay, compound condition. Next, nested condition. See, types of statements. Next, types of conditions. Next, purpose of conditional statements in AFT. One is to insert verification points. Next, for error handling. Next, usage of conditional statements. Usage of, just a minute. Usage of conditional statements. See, first usage, execute a block of statements when condition is true. Execute a block of statements when condition is true. So it is single line syntax. Another name of the structure, simple if. Single line syntax. Next, execute a block of statements. Execute a, just a minute. Execute a statement, single statement. Mistake. First one, execute a statement when condition is true. Another name of the structure, simple if, single line syntax, no else part, no end if also. Second one, execute a block of statements when condition is true. Block of statements when condition is true. Next, execute a block of statements when condition is true. Otherwise execute another block of statements. Otherwise execute another block of statements. Next, fourth usage, decide among several alternates. Another name of the structure, Conti. Another name of the structure, else if structure. Next, execute a block of statements when more than one condition is true. Another name of the structure, nested if. Next, last one, decide among several alternates using select case. See, in order to overcome the complexity of else if, select case structure was inaugurated. See, these 6 are the usages of conditional statements in VBScript. Tell me, Sujata, usage of conditional statements.
Yes, sir. So the first one is execute a statement when condition is true or simple if. Then second one is execute a block of statements when condition is true. And third one is execute a block of statements when condition is true, otherwise execute another block of statements. Fourth one is decide among several alternates, that is else if. And fifth one is execute a block of statements when more than one condition is true, that is nested if. And sixth one is decide among several alternates, that is select case.
Using select case. Okay. See, first I will show first one. Remaining we will discuss to Monday class. The Monday class. Say first one, execute a statement when condition is true. First syntax, next example. See, it is one-way condition. If condition, then statement. If condition, then statement. No else part, no end if. See, if condition is true, then it will execute the statement. If condition is false, don't do anything, nothing. See, dim one variable my date. Suppose my date equal to hash codes 10/10/2010. Next condition, if my date less than date, this date is date function, it returns current system date, then statement my date equal to date. See, first one is condition, after then statement. See, this is selected one condition, next this last one statement. Observe, Madhuri, condition is true or false? My date 2010 is less than today's date or not?
Yes, sir.
Then what will happen? It returns my date equal to date now. If I see this message box statement, not belongs to condition. Condition over, single line, condition over, display, optional, my date. What is the output? Tell me, Madhuri. Aarti.
Date is true.
It is true. What is true? It is not true or false value. You tell me, Sujata, what is the output?
Today's date it will show, sir.
Yes, today's date. Today's date. Observe the condition. My date less than date. Date means today date. Date function returns current system date. Yes, my date is less than date only. Why? My date is 2010. Year of 2010. Today, year 2015. So, condition correct. Then, what is the statement? My date equal to date means assign today's date to my date. Then my date is today's date. See, Run the script. See, it is displaying today's date 2015. See, this is condition true. Next condition false scenario I will show. It won't do anything. Just a minute. Suppose 2017. Now observe Kanti. Second condition. Is it true or false?
False, sir.
False. So it won't do anything. Means
My date.
It won't assign my date equal to date. Why? Statement won't be executed. Why? Condition is false. Then what will happen? My date as it is. What is the my date previous value?
10/10/2017.
2017 only. So it won't assign any value. Old value only. See, first output today's date 2015. Next second output 2017. See, just a minute. Within 2 minutes. Execute a block of statements when condition is true. Block of statements means multiple statements, but block of statements not mandatory. One or more statements. Black is not mandatory. One or more statements. Syntax. If condition, then next statements one or more and if. See, if condition is true, execute a block of statements. If condition is false, we didn't specify. Condition is false, don't do anything, nothing. One way condition. See, example. If condition is false, nothing, don't do anything. Say dim a comma b. A equal to 100, b equal to 50. If a greater than b, then MSG box a is a big number. No else part. Now observe Sujata, condition a greater than b. Is it true or false?
It is true, sir. So it will return a is a big number.
Yes, it will return a is a big number. Run the script. A is a big number. Next, a 100, b 500. Now condition is false. What is the output, Madhuri? Output.
It will show error, sir.
No error. Arti, output. Kanti.
It will return nothing, sir.
Nothing. Why? Condition is not true. Means it won't display anything. We didn't specify anything. Say nothing. Execute. Nothing. Say. One way condition. One way condition. Okay. We'll meet on Monday, same time.